अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आने वाले तमाम लोगों को खुशामदीद। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे चैनल का नाम है बेंटोक बग और जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल ताकि आप तक मज़ीद से मज़ीद मालूमात मुहैया की जाए। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है क्रिएटिंग प्रोफेशनल ग्राफिक्स विद फोटोशॉप। ठीक है, आज हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे The internet just cannot get enough of Netflix original show Stranger Things, and you can pay homage to this favorite with this cool text effect for Photoshop. You will also get two other unique styles with this creative set. If you like this look and don't have time to make it yourself, download this pack instead of using a Photoshop type tutorial. If you are running short on time and you need an incredible text effect, then try out this Impress Photoshop font effect. This action allows you to quickly recreate the look of a vintage letterpress without all the extra hassle. In this download, get access to one cool text effect Photoshop while within 20 different detailed patterns to choose from. Shake up the industry with a few designs inspired by vintage typography and recreate this acid text art. This pack includes 10 amazing actions available at 300 dp. Create glorious 3D effects and more without the need of Photoshop. Text effect tutorials. Enjoy the help file that's also included for more instruction in this cool text effect for Photoshop. Embroidery is a craft that requires a lot of time, patience and skill. But if you want to achieve a faster result, check out easy Photoshop text tutorials. If you want even faster results, then download this incredible elastic Photoshop action for creating text art craft with high quality details with this cool text effect for Photoshop. Includes 4 helpful actions available for 3 different materials. Go on a magical trip to Las Vegas with this awesome retro text effect set. This cool text design allows you to get that vintage retro look in seconds. Included in this package are 10 fully layered text effect Photoshop files with 7 beautiful colors to choose from. It's really simple to make text patterns in Photoshop with this download. तो नाजरीन, यहाँ तक हमारी एक न्यू वीडियो होती है कंप्लीट। और जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ताकि आप तक मज़ीद से मज़ीद मालूमात मुहैया की जाएँ। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।